Here we go, here we go. And the race is on. Katie, I think you won. I couldn't tell, I was watching the camera. What did it look like, Miss Liz?
Looks like they got the stars.
Did Katie win? Dude, you won, Hot Rod. Good job, Katie.
All the waste that you put in there, I'm not surprised.
So we're at a Boy Scout derby this morning.
Mama did some physics and make it work.
I told you.
Yeah, I did the sure. I just took a picture.
You can't argue with physics. Exactly. The shark's getting ready to race. Oh, and the R2-D2 car.
On the green lane, red stripe.
Let's sit down so people can watch. Come on.
Oh, so some of the cars are starting their second.
Awesome.
It doesn't matter.
It's awesome. I voted for the shark.
Just so you know, each car will run on each lane one time.
And just so you know, everyone's a winner.
Red Stripe came back.
This is some America right here, folks. We're getting a dose of America.
I voted for the shark.
Owen's excited about the shark car.
Yeah, I love sharks.
Connor, go behind. Yeah.
That's the one that
Yeah, he loves the shark. Oh, sorry about your shark, buddy. He didn't make it. Miss Liz, look how cute that little girl is. Huh?
Someone only voted for us.
I know.
Why you gotta come back tell him that, huh? Why you gotta tell him that? He knows what's going down. Yeah, you just over here trying to rub it in and twist screws is what you trying to do. Hey, look at springtime, guys. Look how the trees are pink already.
Wow.
It's a nice day.
Okay, on the red lane, car number 7, Creeper.
Creeper.
On the blue lane, car number 13, Woody.
Woody.
On the yellow lane,
Dang, that's a
Paddle
bus.
bus.
Sorry, but that looks like a prison bus.
Green lane,
That one looks like a jail bus.
Lightning.
This is great.
I want to watch Battle
Hey, so what do you think? You think you want to do some of the Girl Scout, Cub Scout action?
My mom signed her.
What?
Did you sign her?
Yeah, but what is it, like 30 bucks?
Oh, whoa.
Dang, Woody rocked it, man. Jeez. Man. Well, folks, we're doing some America today. I don't know if y'all can see the Easter Bunny car over there.
He lost. And Mom.
Yeah, you did really good. You're doing good.
Yep, that was Woody.
So I won.
What won?
On the red lane, car number 8, Creeper Wood. On the blue lane, car number 14, Turbo. On
Turbo.
the yellow lane, car number 1, Giant Texas.
Yeah, turbo.
There's Giant Texas. It kind of looks like a Chevy Avalanche, sort of. But with like a spoiler on the back.
It's because they have the weights to it.
Dun dun dun.
What am I going to race again?
Huh?
We're going to race against other ones.
Well, all right, folks. Y'all say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Miss Liz.
Say bye. Oh, sorry. What?
Say bye.